So can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks for your response. So today we are going to focus on Linux operating system. So yesterday we have created one Windows 2022 server and we have set up IAS server, and we have seen how to add hard disks. Okay. So today we are going to focus on Linux machines. Activity of today's session. Create a Linux virtual machine. Anyone you can take. To set up Apache 2 server and to ensure it can be accessible from internet, and to create VM image. So this is also called as shared image, or you can say only simply VM image. Now, to do these operations, let us log in into Azure portal. So here, so all of you know that to create a virtual machine, okay. So here there is a blade called virtual machines. Just to click on this virtual machines. So click on create. So here I am creating a resource group called Linux group. You can give any name. Here I am giving Linux RG. Linux RG. Virtual machine name is my VM. So I want to create it in Central India. Okay. So here you can select in which zone you wanted to create your virtual machine. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3. Means Central India is having 3 zones. So if I select Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, okay, 3 virtual machines are created. But that is not my intention. Okay, just I want to create only 1 virtual machine. So here the operating system you can select either RHE or Ubuntu.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, in availability option, there is a availability scale set or something. What is that?
We will discuss everything. Okay. Stick to whatever we are discussing. Okay. Whenever time comes, I will explain everything. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about things. So we will discuss everything, because if I yesterday I told you, right? So if I tell everything within single class, okay, you are going to get confused. Okay, whenever occasion comes, whenever time comes, definitely I will repeat. Okay, don't worry about that. Now, so I want to connect via password. Select password. So the username is Azure user. Password I have given one password. Okay, so yeah, by default I am opening 22. So yesterday I have said, right, don't choose SSD unless there is a reason. So select HDD and just come down in the networking part. Okay. So since we did not have our own network, okay, so our VM will be created in the Azure provided network. Okay, let it be defaults. So tags. So for our understanding purpose, I can say name equal to or just a minute. Here environment equal to dev. Okay. So yeah, the importance of tags, I think I might be I explained already. Okay, even though I will explain once again. So suppose at the end of the month I have got some bill. Okay, I want to know, okay, billing environment wise. So I have suppose 3 environments: dev, test, and prod environment. Okay, so I want to know environmental wise bill. Okay, then you can filter the bill. Okay, so for dev environment, how much I have got? For testing, how much I have got? For prod, how much I have got? Okay, so these things you can know. So if you are giving tags are very much useful. So presently I'm giving only one tag. So you can give multiple tags also. Name equal to Shiva. You can give another tag. Like this, you can create as many tags as you want. See here. So if you want to use this machine per hour, how much you have to pay? This much amount you have to pay. So what is that? This is the amount you have to pay. If you are in not a free tier, otherwise if you are in first 1 month, if you are using this machine for 1 hour, okay, 3.5183 INR will be deducted. Okay, this is per hour cost. Okay, now click on create. So once my Ubuntu VM is ready, I want to install LAMP stack. So what is meant by LAMP stack? Let us see. So always open DigitalOcean documents. So your LAMP stack is nothing but it is a collection of 4 softwares: Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Now just hit on this. Now I am going to give a link of this document also. Screen is paused. Why? Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just a minute. I will give a reference of this document to you. In the notes, I will give the reference. For LAMP stack. So LAMP stands for, I'm giving the definition: Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Sorry for interrupting me in between the class. Should we write the running routes?
Okay, I'm sharing in the Google Drive, right? I'm giving in Google Drive.
Okay.
Have you not
Like
got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You need not to write.
Okay, thank you.
Everything I'm giving the document. Why you waste unnecessary? So if you go on writing, your concentration will be diverted, right? So that is why I don't want to give that much risk to you. Okay, I will write everything. Don't worry about it. Now here. So these are the steps that you have to follow. Don't worry so don't worry about LAMP. LAMP is a collection of 4 softwares. So we don't install MySQL. Just we install Apache and PHP and what is it? Apache 2. So these Linux. Anyhow, we are on Linux operating system, right? So we are going to install PHP and Apache 2. So these 3 softwares we are going to install. So here he has given the steps. So simply blindly we have to follow these steps. Okay. So before that, let us connect to our Linux virtual machine. So can you please mute? Why this problem is coming for me? I am giving correct password only. Okay, right. So here, sudo apt update. And as per the documents, next time installing Apache 2 is a web server for Java applications. So our responsibility as a DevOps engineer, already I told you to set it up and we have to ensure that it is working. So developers from your company will be using this server for deploying their applications. So our responsibility is only to configure it. Okay, we don't use it. Okay, now you check whether Apache 2 is accessible from internet. Later we will check PHP. Okay, first I am checking whether Apache 2 is accessible. It will display that site cannot be reached. Can you tell me the reason?
We have to restart the Apache 2.
No.
I think we
Yeah.
need to start the services.
Starting service is not required here in Ubuntu. Automatically services are started. Okay, I did not open port number, right?
Port
Apache 2
number,
works on port number.
Port number, yes.
So select networking. So add inbound port rule. So here 80. Now check from your side whether it is working or not. I have given in the chart window. It is working for you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
it's working.
So next thing is this is not required. Okay, so this setup is required when you want to working on-premise systems. So what are the commands just now I executed? A is on sudo apt update. Sorry. sudo apt install -y Apache 2. Okay. So next. So here, so if you scroll a little bit down, okay, we have verified it is working. So yeah, this is also not required for us. MySQL I don't install. If you are interested, you can install MySQL. But presently, okay, we are not using MySQL database server. So just to install MySQL server, so this is a very simple command. Sudo apt install MySQL server. But so presently we are not storing any data. Okay, just our functionality is to check to create some stack. Yeah, this is going to install PHP. At last, add -y. Okay. Now, once again, check welcome page. So to check welcome page, once again, go to this page and refresh it. Now, one more final thing you have to do. So what is that final thing means? Just to scroll a little bit down again. So yeah, these are all not required. Restarting and status checking. Okay, so we can do if you are interested, but restarting is not required because Ubuntu services are started automatically. So here. This one. You have to add this line. So you have to open this file. So what is that file you have to open? Sudo nano. Nano is an editor. Okay, it is just like Notepad in a Windows operating system. So there is a path called where www. Okay. So in the place of your domain, so we have to give HTML. So in this path, a default file called info.php is there. Okay, in that file, he is asking to place this text. So this is going to display present PHP version. So just paste it over here. Right. And at last give question mark and colon also. So to save it and come out, say Ctrl X, Y and Z. Now check it. Something went wrong. Okay. Just remove this. Say Ctrl X, Y and press enter. The page is not displayed. Just a minute, guys. So something wrong here. What is
I
this
think
here?
the
Semicolon.
bracket is not correctly like copied over there.
Bracket is
Should be
not copied.
Yeah, it copied, but it's not like properly copied because somehow like it's getting some editing like copied issue from that page. You can just manually you can just type this hopefully.
This one PHP information.
Yeah, this one you can just backslash, yeah, both back. One more time, you can just click back and delete for both the bracket, and manually you can enter. Yeah, you can manually enter this. Yeah, we'll get the same thing. I don't know why.
It has to come. So there
In
is
between
no.
bracket and a colon, there is a space, I think.
Sometimes it irritates.
Correct.
So this page must come. So it must look like this.
Okay.
There is something a comma or semicolon is missing. Okay, you will see another document. Not
Yeah.
Digital Ocean. You will see this one. Phoenix document. See, yeah, this one actually. Okay, now we'll paste it. Right. Control X, Y, Z. Sudo system CTL Apache 2. Why you are not able to see this page? Okay. Sorry, I'm not giving actual page information. Info.php. I am missing this. Are you seeing this one?
Yes.
That's what I'm seeing. So why I'm not able to get this page? So now this is giving actual PHP information. Now you from your side also just check once, because it must be accessible from internet anywhere.
Yeah, it's accessible.
Okay, this is all information where exactly the application is running. Okay, what is that version? What is the default directory? What is the server? Okay, this is server IP address 10.0.04, server port number. Okay, remote address, and document root is where www HTML, request scheme is HTTP. Okay, so all this information is related to our current web page. Now we have tested it is working perfectly. We able to install some software. Now this software I want to install in 10 machines. How you can do that? My requirement is like this. Here, this is a use case. Okay. So I want to create 10 VMs. Okay, with a lamp stack pre-installed. How you do this? When I create a virtual machine, okay, I should not install this like this. Okay, so I should not write like this. Okay, so in each and every virtual machine, it must be pre-installed. So for this, there is a need of creating our own images. Okay, so our own images are nothing but what? VM images. So here, what is the difference between OS image and VM image? So suppose this is your OS image. Okay. So this is something like our OS image. We have created this virtual machine. Okay, with Ubuntu operating system. And here I will create one VM image. Now my VM image contains what? My VM image contains base operating system. Okay. So this is base operating system like Ubuntu. On the top of Ubuntu operating system, okay, I am going to install something like LAMP application, LAMP stack. Okay, here now it is LAMP stack. So in reality, okay, so we have to create one VM image with our company software, with our e-commerce application, with our net banking application. Okay, so with our Book My Show application, with my Swiggy, with my Zomato. Okay, so if it is 1 or 2 machines, I can go and create. I can create a virtual machine and I can manually log in into the virtual machine. I can execute just 2 or 3 steps. But I want it to be in 50 or 100 servers. But you cannot log in into each and every machine, and you cannot install LAMP stack, right? Okay. So here for that we need to create one VM image. Now this VM image you can call it as LAMP image. That means here we are going to create a image from a virtual machine. So Mohan, can you please mute? Some background noise is coming.
Sir, sorry, sir, sorry.
Now what I will do? So my VM is ready. My VM is ready with necessary software installed. So this necessary software means LAMP software installed. So from this, what I will do? I will create an image. So to create an image, go to overview section. Now here, are you seeing capture option here?
Yes.
Now, when you click on this capture option, what happens here? Okay. So it is going to create one image gallery. Okay. Image gallery is just like a container where you can keep several versions of your applications. Several versions of your applications. So just I'm clicking on this capture. See what happens. First, it is asking, so where you want to keep this image? Means already my resource group is selected. And here, just look at this. Share image to Azure Compute Gallery. Okay, I want to share it to Compute Gallery. Means when I select this first option, what happens here? Okay, so once I created this virtual image, I will be able to share this image. Okay. Across my team members. So select this first option. So just look at the second option. What is the second option? Automatically delete this virtual machine after creating the image. So here, when you create image, what happens here? So exactly it is going to take backup of your hard disk. Okay. And the user related information will be removed completely. So what is the user information? I have given something like Azure user and password, right? That information is removed. Okay, completely this image will be, this VM will be generalized. Now,
How about IP details, sir? IP address and all?
Now
Those
by
also-
using, see, I will show. Okay, I will show. Okay, just we are creating one image, that's all. Okay, from that image again we can create a virtual machine. So now at the time of creating that virtual machine, automatically IP addresses will be allocated.
Okay.
But one more thing, sir, the password will password and all had been removed. So it should be something everyone will change over there then.
Again, it is exactly like your base image. Okay. So when you are creating virtual machine, how you are providing basic information, right? You are providing username and password, right? Exactly like. So by using this image also, we are able to create one new image. And at that time, you are going to specify your username and password. So here VM image completely removes username and password. Completely image will be generalized. Did you get my point?
Yeah.
So just select this machine. I don't want to have written this machine once the image is created. And here this is image gallery. Image gallery is, I'm writing something like lamp gallery. So image definition. Okay. So image definition indicates an application. Okay. So today I have installed Apache to some version. Tomorrow in the morning, one latest version of Apache has come. For that I have given different version. So for now, so I am giving one version like 1.0.0. And what is the image definition? Image definition is here lamp image. So publisher offer you, these are something like your SKU means model offer. Publisher equal is nothing but canonical. So this can be defaults. So tomorrow in the morning, suppose a latest version of Apache has come. So I can write something like 1.0.1. And day after tomorrow, one more version is come. Okay, you can have 1.0.2. Okay, so within the gallery, multiple versions can be managed. So the gallery name is lamp gallery. So within that, within this gallery, you can maintain multiple versions. So presently, as this is a basic version, I am giving 1.0.0. And end of life. Okay, how many days you wanted to keep it? I want to keep it for 1 day. After 1 day, automatically it will be deleted. But in the reality, no one is going to remove this image. So since it is our practical session, okay, just I am giving only 1 day as a lifetime. And how many replicas you wanted to create? I want to create only one replica. One replica is enough for me. Okay, let us create it. Are you seeing stopping virtual machine? So once the virtual machine is stopped here, so backup of hard disk is taken, and the backup of hard disk is nothing but what? Our VM image. In that image, okay, no information will be there. No user information will be there. Completely, it is a generalized image. So once this image is created, I will show how to create one virtual machine from this image. So it takes 5 to 10 minutes of time. Let us wait. Minimum 5, maximum 10.
So Shiva, meanwhile, can I ask one question?
Yes.
So that image will capture all the details, okay, whatever we have like put it over that creating the virtual machine, correct?
Yes. Whatever information, whatever softwares are there in the hard disk, that will be captured. From that, it will create an image. But the user information will be completely removed. Okay.
Removed.
So whatever
Yeah.
information I have given, some user information, right? Azure user and password, that is removed.
Okay. Okay.
Again, at the time of creating a new virtual machine from this image, okay, it is going to prompt for username and password, because there is no user information, password information, okay, in the image.
Okay. So for the every individual virtual machine that create a new user and password, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
For every virtual machine, you can create a user, right? You can so suppose 100 systems are there. Okay, for 100 systems, you can create another different 100 users. Now,
Yes.
if I take Ubuntu image, from that Ubuntu image, can I create 100 virtual machines? Is it possible or not possible?
Sorry, tell me once again.
Suppose one Ubuntu OS image is there. From that image,
Okay.
can I create 100 virtual machines? Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
Yes, it is possible, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, in the similar way, okay, from
Correct.
this image also, you can create as many VMs as you want.
Yes. Yes.
But what is the difference between base image and this image? Base image contains only plain operating system. So here, as per the diagram, so this VM image contains one extra thing, all right? So what is the extra thing it contains? One
LAMP stack.
LAMP stack.
So, sir, this image we are creating as of now. Hello. This image which right now we are creating, that is coming from that particular VM only, no? Which we have created already.
Third party means, what do you say?
Not third party. I am asking about that this image we are creating now, that VM. Second.
Yes.
Yeah. So this image is the copy of that particular image which we have created.
No, this is a copy of your virtual machine. Okay. First,
Yeah.
I created one virtual machine, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So in that virtual
is
machine, in that virtual machine, I installed a LAMP stack. From that
Okay.
virtual machine, I am creating an image.
Okay.
So this image will be created from virtual machine.
Mm-hmm.
So here, if you don't understand the flow, okay, let me explain the flow. So first we created a VM. So this VM contains what? Ubuntu.
Yes.
So in this virtual machine, so what is the software I installed?
That is
LAMP.
LAMP.
LAMP stack. LAMP stack, right?
LAMP stack, correct.
Okay. So what is the virtual machine name here? So here I created a Ubuntu virtual machine
LAMP.
equal to, okay. OS, which OS? Ubuntu OS plus LAMP stack. Okay. So from LAMP stack, okay, what I'm creating? I am creating a VM image. So what is the
Okay.
image name I have given? LAMP
LAMP image.
image. And from LAMP image, a new VM can be created. So within that new VM, okay, so what we can pre-installed? So we can see the pre-installation of what? Apache 2 plus, okay, total it is what?
4.
LAMP stack.
LAMP stack. Let us see. Once this VM is created, once this image is created, we will go and verify. Let it be created. Let us wait for 3 more minutes. It is done. See.
Yes.
Now these are the properties of this. Are you seeing something like LAMP gallery by LAMP image at 1.0.0? What is this LAMP gallery? LAMP gallery is a gallery name, right?
Yes.
LAMP image is the image name. So what is the version I have given? 1.0.0. Is it right or not?
Yes.
Now, directly you can select, you can create a virtual machine from here. So are you seeing one option here? What is that option you are seeing here? Are you seeing something like create VM?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Directly you can create from here. Okay, otherwise if you don't like this idea, okay, so what we will do? So it can be created like a normal, just a minute. Clear all the drawings. And date. Okay, from basics I am creating. So select virtual machines. Create Azure virtual machine. Resource group is what? Same, Linux RG. And this is virtual machine name is what? VM from LAMP image. Okay, I am not going to select other things. Now in the place of Ubuntu server, okay, just drop down this. Are you seeing something like see all images here? The option is there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just click on this. You are seeing this option, right? Shared images or my image, shared images.
Shared images. Yeah,
Are you seeing something like lamp image here?
correct.
Select this simply. Okay, is this image selected? Lamp gallery by lamp image latest. Okay, X64 something. So you have to choose processor. So I'm selecting same processor. So select username. Am I able to give username?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why this problem is coming for me every time? Right. Now, here I will open 80 port also. Rather than opening later, now itself I am opening 80 because my lamp stack will run on 80 port number. Disks. So I am selecting HDD. Okay. Just come down. Networking, remaining things I don't bother at present. Click on create. Okay, it is done. So this is a public IP address. First, I will test whether LAMP is pre-installed or not. Info.php. Are you able to see the page? Did I install LAMP again?
Yes.
I did not install LAMP, right?
No, sir,
Okay,
you did not
I am
directly.
able to see this
work.
page.
Yes, sir.
Because this is a virtual machine that is created from LAMP image.
Directly. Yes, sir. So you're showing two ways of creating, right, sir? Images.
Yes.
Okay.
And can you check from your side also? Okay, I
Sure,
have
sir.
given in the chart window. Check it. Giving to everyone. Check it.
Yes, sir.
You are able to access that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how you can create a virtual machine from Vim image. So Monday class is very interesting. Okay, so Monday we are going to implement virtual machine scale set. Okay, along with that, I will configure load balancer also. How load balancer is going to forward request to servers. So today we are using this IP address. to access this application. But once you create virtual machine scale set and load balancer, okay, you are not supposed to use any IP address. So via load balancer, okay, we must be able to access the application. Because yesterday I told you, right? So suppose in virtual machine scale set, we have 5 virtual machines. Which virtual machine IP address you are using? Okay, so there is no guarantee that one is running, one is not running. We don't know. Only load balancer knows which is running. Okay, that means through load balancer, we must be able to access this LAMP stack application. And that is one situation. And whenever CPU load is more than 75, how the servers are increased? That is very much interesting. Okay, how the servers are increased dynamically, how the servers are decreased dynamically. That we are going to see, okay, with practical examples, live examples.
Shiva, I just missed last 5 minutes because it was internet issue. Actually, I missed last 5 minutes due to internet connectivity.
Yeah, can you please go through the recording? Okay, I did nothing.
Yeah,
Just I created a virtual machine. I created an image. From that image, I created a virtual machine. And just I am verifying whether this is accessible from internet or not.
Okay, same IP you are trying to check.
Yeah, not same IP. The new IP has come, right?
Okay, that one I missed. Okay, hopefully, no worry.
Yeah, this is a new IP. Okay, previously that was what? In the chart window, see, previously that was 235.
235, yeah.
That ends with 235. Now it is ending with 25.
Okay. So the it should be
Correct or not?
yeah, so it should be for individual VM, correct? And every
individual
VM has
VM.
a different IP address.
But this is individually check. Okay, but in virtual machine scale set, we don't access the application like this. Okay, so we access the application via load balancer.
Okay. Understood.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I want to know that we can create 10 virtual machines from the same image.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir.
You can create not the 10, even 100 machines also you can create.
Sir, at
Okay,
a time we can create.
At a time you can create. In virtual
And
machine
sir,
scale
the-
set, in virtual machine scale set, I will show how to create multiple virtual machines.
Oh, and sir, the same LAMP stack is action on all virtual machines.
Yes. Okay, same application will be running on all virtual machines.
Okay, sir.
So it's a one touch like it's a creation, or it should be like a 10 times or 100 times we need to like create.
One touch only.
One touch only. Okay. So there should be some option how many you wanna be create, correct?
Yeah. Okay, what is your minimum number? What is maximum number? Okay, within that number, okay, number of virtual machines are creating. Suppose I specify minimum is 2, maximum 10. Okay, maximum count cannot go beyond 10 at any moment.
Okay.
Suppose I say maximum 5. Okay, so the maximum number of virtual machines will not be going beyond 5.
Okay, understood.
So that you can do, that you can deal with manually or automatically. Manual means every time you have to check, okay, whether the load is increasing on the virtual machine. If the load is increasing, you manually increase, but that is not correct approach, right? If manually increasing means there is no use of dynamic nature. Okay, so
Correct,
machines must be increased automatically, dynamically.
Correct.
Okay, so there are 2 ways. Okay, one is manual, another one is automatic. So 2 options we are going to see on Monday. Okay, so Monday link will be changed. Okay, Monday we are going to meet at same time.
Okay, sure.
Sir, tomorrow
And,
no class.
Tomorrow no class.
Okay, thank you.
And from next Saturday we are planning, but this Saturday we don't have. So next Saturday, from next Saturday onwards, we are starting Docker and Kubernetes on the weekends.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
This continuation of or some other course, this one.
What is this? What is that?
This is that one is also included. No worry.
Okay,
Yeah, Docker
yes.
and Kubernetes is a part, right?
Yes, sir, yes.
And once you are doing this activity, don't forget to remove resource group because this is very expensive. Unnecessarily your bill is wasted. Because this is not our real-time system, right? Remove this Linux RG and network RG. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for
Yeah,
attending.
thank,
Okay. Have a happy
thanks,
weekend.
Shiva.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.